At the Maine Bureau of Highway Safety, we believe education saves lives. Through our Traffic Safety Educator program, we're traveling across the state to bring real-world highway safety lessons to communities of all ages. One of our most powerful tools is the Seatbelt Convincer. It gives participants a safe, hands-on experience of a simulated 5 to 7 mile per hour crash while properly buckled in. It's a simple demonstration with a powerful message. Events and venues across Maine are encouraged to request the Seatbelt Convincer for their community this year. To request the Seatbelt Convincer, please email seatbelt@allianceims.com and tell us about your upcoming event.